What's the meaning of British Airways? British Airways. British Airways.
British Airways. British Airways. British Airways is the national flag carrier airline of the United Kingdom. It was formed in 1974 following the merger of two other airlines, British Overseas Airways Corporation, BOAZ, and British European Airways, BEA. The company has its headquarters in London, and operates from two main airports, Heathrow and Gatwick. British Airways is one of the largest airlines in the world, and operates flights to over 180 destinations around the globe. Its fleet consists of more than 280 aircraft, and it employs around 45,000 people. The airline is known for its premium service and innovative technology, and has won numerous awards for its customer service.